We continue solving our task and let's share our screen. Okay, so let's check our roadmap. And so we continue with linked list, and the next one would be to add two numbers. All right, so let's first analyze the problem. So what we have, so we given two linked lists, for example, like this. And our task is actually to add two numbers. So for example, we have 2, 4, 3 and 5, 6, 4. Then we try to actually add each of these numbers. 2, 4, 3 and 5, 6, 4. So we have 7, 0, 8. Because, so they are hidden from, so 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 6, 5. Okay, so we have 5 plus 2 would be 7. Here it would be 7. Then we have 1 next, and then once again next. So after this, it would be 8, 0, and 7. So I think that what we can do with a stack, actually, and just go one by list node, and have a reminder, and then put actually values into our stack, and then take values from the stack, and return just new list node. And return new list node. But can we actually do it with seven? Yeah, I believe that we can do it with just two list nodes. So while L1 not equal to null and L2 is not equal to null, we also have some reminder. It would be 0. And here we have a new list node. Let's call it result. Null. And here we can check if result equal to null. Then we should check L1 L1 value plus L2 value, and here we should do mod of 10, and so here it would be like result new list node with actually this value. Else we are going to, and here we also should put our reminder. It would be the same, but divided by 10. So for example, we have 9 plus 9, it would be 18. So 18 mod of 10, it would be 8, right? And 18 divided by 10, we have 1, right? 1. So 1, it would be something that we moving forward. And then, of course, after these two things, we should do like L1 equal to L1 next, and L2 equal to L2 next. Else, we are doing this way. So we have our result. We should create this node, listener plus reminder. Yes, plus reminder, and here we should update our reminder. So here it would be new node, a new node, and here as well. Okay, and in this case we just put into result, and in this case we do result next equal to end node, and result equal to end node. So let's actually debug this code. So let's imagine that we have something like this, right? So we create a new result with 5 and move forward. Then we create new result with 7 and so we just have our result with 5 here. And when we move to here, so result is not equal to null. So we create this 7, we put this 7 here, right? Yeah, and and let's have also some current node, and here current will be equal to result, and then we need to put our so we need to put current next equal to this one, and then current would be equal to new node, and then we move forward. After this, we while L1 not equal to null, we are doing some logic here. So we can have here reminder. So we actually create a new node with reminder with only L1. And and here we do the same thing. And here we return result. And here, while L2 not equal to null, we take L2 and do the same. Let's run. Okay, so we have L2. Memory limit exceeded. Yeah, so here as well we need to update to L1 length. So the same as here. And here we need to update L2 length. So so here 0, output 708. Here is output 8, 9, then 0, white 0. Yeah, so let's debug actually this logic. So we have L1 equal to this thing, and L2 equal to this thing. So we start from the beginning. We have reminder equal to 0, and also we have some current result, and also current. So first we check, we create new node with 9 plus 9, it would be 18, right? 18. So if it's 18, then here it would be 8, here it would be 1, and we update our result with 8, reminder becomes 1, and yeah, and here current equal to results. Yeah, and we actually move these two pointers. Now we have the same. Now 9 plus 9, 18 plus 1, 19. So we have 19. Then reminder should be not plus. It should be equal. Yes, we have 8. Yeah. And also we should check if reminder greater than 0. We should do like this. We should reminder minus equal to 1. Here it should be reminder. And submit. Yeah, so we are done. Let's check our previous implementations. We actually have the same two while loops. And here we see that if reminder is greater than 0, then we just set. So yeah, the same logic, we can just take it if, and we can just put it here, and that's it, right? So we don't even need to do this one. Here we just need to do like this. Yes. So editorial things, the same logic. So elementary mass, some while loop. Actually, it's interesting. So we have like dummy head and current, and the same, yeah. So we just carry these reminders. We go into the while loop. We take these two values and do actually the same logic here. We just combine it here, but I think that with current implementation, it's more clear what we are doing. So first we are doing for values that we have here, and then for like specific nodes, we just populate them and add reminder at the end. Yep, so that's it. And yep, so we are done. And let's make it as marked. So thank you, and see you tomorrow.